Hi, afternoon everybody. It's Wednesday 22nd. Spent the morning running around different suppliers, getting some products in that I need, and the sand that I buy I can only get from one supplier and he's about 50 minutes away. But sorted all that out and so we're ready to go. I'm going to leave the wall today and probably start again on it tomorrow. I will have a go today of getting the kitchen units all sorted, and one of them needs a little bit of alteration so they'll fit flush up against the wall. So yeah, that's the project for this afternoon, and talk to you later. Cheers. The kitchen units that you can see here need to move over towards that window. The problem I have is that this unit here is where the sink's going to go, and that's because all the pipes are down here and I don't really want to start rerouting everything, so it makes sense just to move it across into this corner. The problem is that this piece of the wall comes out from here to the window, making it about 3 or 4 inches further out. So what I've got to do is to take this piece out of the back. If that makes it weaker, which I don't think it will, because I'll miss all the brackets and everything else, I can put a strengthening bar or something down here. Then I can move it across towards the corner. It doesn't have to go all the way, just as far over as I can possibly get it. And then that piece at the back sticking out will sit flush against the wall, and hopefully this end will be up here somewhere. Got to do it like that. So I'm going to have the sink over in that corner. This is obviously the oven unit, and then where the oven unit is sat at the moment is where I want the fridge. The further I can get it down that end, the better. Just gives me a little bit more room down this end for the fridge and the worktop unit. everybody, it's now Thursday. Carrying on from yesterday's dry fit of all the units. Today I'm going to try and get the worktops on. The problem I have is that corner again. So what I'm going to do first is make a cardboard template, get the angles right, and if that seems okay I'll transfer that onto the worktop, and hopefully they'll all have a nice snug fit. Well, these are the worktops, the solid wood. They're 2.6 metres long and probably about an inch and a half in thickness. They're just unbelievably heavy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay them down on the floor, put some pieces of wood down, so raise them off the floor a bit, put them down and then try and cut them to shape. The first one, the long one that I need, is 2.4 metres long, so I ain't going to be cutting much off, so the weight isn't going to change that much. Hi, so we're really pleased with the way the top worked out. Fits really nice, plenty of room for the fridge down that end, and I'm also going to put an end piece on as well to finish it off. As you can see, I've put the handles on as well. Can't fit the plinth or the little piece under the oven housing. For some reason the screws have disappeared for that, and also the plinth needs to be cut down to size. But yeah, overall very pleased with how it turned out. So pleased in fact that I've done the other side to match it. Handles on, and again can't fit the plinth.